All right, teachers, I'm going to show you something that's really cool that I am doing that you might like to do as well. So, first of all, one thing that is helpful when you have your e-lessons and you have assigned something on Canvas for the students to do and they have to submit it, is that you should get the Canvas Teacher app. It is super helpful. So it looks, it's this yellow one at the bottom of my screen. So I'm going to touch it. And it's a great way to have all of your assignments that have been submitted in one place and to grade it on your iPad. It is super nice. So here's my class right here. My assignments that my students have done. Give it just a second to pull up. All right, so let's say that I have an assignment and I'll just go with this one right here. So what it does is it shows you how many students have submitted, how many need to be graded, and who has already been graded. It also, when you go to graded, it's just going to show you really quick who the students are that have been graded and what their scores are. So sorry, I tried to do that quick because I realized students' names were there. All right, they all did great on it, so that's fine. All right, so if you need to grade somebody's, all right, so I have Miss Kate right here. Who needs to actually read some of it, but that's okay. So anyways, so if you have an assignment that you have graded or that you need to grade, all right, you can grade it right on here. So I have my pin feature, and I would suggest you like make things bigger to mark things. Also, when you click on here, you can change the size of your pen. Always make sure that the color you choose, like these down here, have the red line next to it. I don't think, maybe it won't make it so that it doesn't have the red line next to it, because the red line means that it's transparent. So, and that makes a big difference. So let's say you're grading something, blah, blah, blah. Yay, you're good. You're done. All right. And let's say that I have, I'm going to make a score of, let's say, 24 out of 25. All right. And then you can like do the normal things like smiley face and A and all of that stuff. But I thought it would be cool if there is some way, especially for elementary teachers, to have a sticker that's on there. Well, Corey McCaw and I were talking about it, and we had like a duh moment. And that is, if you go right here to the text, all right, and you click right there, you have all of these emojis that you could choose from. So let's say, and you can use them as stickers. So let's say I want to use that one, and I'm going to make it really big. I'm going to kind of shrink it down a little bit. All right. And there, like I've put like a little sticker on the paper, which I thought was pretty cool. Now, one thing I'm going to try and check out later is, because Corey had made the comment, is I wonder if you had Bitmojis that have already like good job and things like that, and you can use that as a part of like your keyboard and a text thing, if that would work, because it would be right here like in these things. So, wouldn't want to use that one. So anyways, I was just thinking that is kind of a neat little feature. So you may like that. Now, as you notice on the side, this rubric, I'll make a video. I'm going to be making a video showing you how to do this. But when you set up an assignment, you can make a rubric, and it really doesn't have to be really detailed. But like for these, I figured out how many mistakes were in each one of the sentences. There's a way for you to put how many points for like sentence 1, sentence 2, sentence 3. So when I grade this, all I have to do is like just touch each thing, and then it automatically puts it at the top here, like however many, let's see, like that. 24 out of 25, puts it up there, and then it's graded on there. So I also like to write on the students' paper, because they really are, elementary kids are not going to be looking at this rubric thing, but it just makes it easier to grade. And then when you're done, and I need to take all of these out here, for her, then when you're done, it's nice because, sorry, I'm erasing all this because I need to show you, and the student needs to redo this. Sorry. Because then when you're done, those things that you have graded are going to show up here with their grades. So that's really nice. So that's just kind of a neat little feature I thought you would like to see. And hopefully that will be helpful as we are working on new and creative ways to do e-learning and to grade it and to assess it and to assign it. So If you have any questions, just contact me, Rebecca Kroll.